Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to look into how to make animal hybrids using Midjourney. Now, you'd think it would be as simple as typing in a frog-hedgehog hybrid, maybe wildlife photo, and then some aspect ratio, and that it would just produce something. But look, this frog-hedgehog hybrid is just a hedgehog. This cat-giraffe hybrid is just a giraffe. And if I move the words hedgehog and frog the other way around, and make it a hedgehog frog instead of a frog hedgehog, I just end up with a frog. Maybe this one's got a few spikes on it, but something has fundamentally gone wrong. This used to be a lot easier than it is now. Now, the solution is quite simple. And first of all, I tried to change the styling to very high using the settings. And yeah, it made a slightly more spiky hedgehog, or frog, really. But it didn't solve the problem. The solution is to move back from Midjourney version 5 to Midjourney version 4. The way backwards is sometimes the way forwards. And the moment you do this, you will start getting wonderful creations like this blobfish dog and this red panda snake and a tiger guinea pig. So to end this video, I'm going to leave you with some of the creations that I made, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.